CEO and President of CSAT, Mr. Jose S. Fuster Jr., School Principal, Mrs. Lydia T. Fuster, Assistant Principal, Ms. Kimberly Claire Grona, guests, esteemed faculty, proud families, and fellow graduates. Good afternoon. It is with immense pride and gratitude that I welcome you all to the 18th commencement exercises of the Creative Institute of Science, Arts, and Technology. Today, we gathered to celebrate a milestone that each of us has worked tirelessly to achieve. To my fellow graduates, today is a testament to our dedication, resilience, and unwavering commitment. We have spent countless hours learning, growing, and pushing the boundaries of our creativity and knowledge. We have faced challenges and obstacles, but we have emerged stronger, more determined, and ready to embrace the future. This ceremony is a tribute to our diligence, perseverance, and growth over these past 6 years. We have shown remarkable challenges and enthusiasm in our learning journey, and today we honor each graduate's achievements. And always remember that we must dare to dream and we must dare to do. To our revered teachers, your dedication to the noble art of teaching and passion for enlightenment have left an indelible mark upon us. Teacher Fuster, Teacher Jonah, Teacher Febs, Teacher Claire, and Teacher Cam, your guidance has shaped us into the learned individuals we are today. I would like to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to the incredible faculty and school administrators who have guided us on this journey. Your passion for teaching and unwavering support have been the foundation upon which we have built our dreams. To our families and friends, thank you for your constant encouragement, sacrifices, and belief in us. Your support has been our strength, and today we share this achievement with you. Your steadfast commitment and encouragement have been the pillars we have leaned upon. We thank thee for being our constant source of strength and inspiration. As we commence this ceremony, thank you for being here to celebrate with us. Let's make this a memorable day for my fellow graduates. As we stand on the threshold of a new chapter, we are filled with hope and excitement for what lies ahead. We are stepping into a world full of opportunities and challenges, and I have no doubt that we are ready to meet them head on. Our time at the Creative Institute of Science, Arts, and Technology has equipped us with the skills, knowledge, and creativity to make a meaningful impact on the world. Let us carry forward the lessons we have learned here, the importance of perseverance, the value of innovation, quality and creative education, and the power of community. As we embark on our new journeys, let us stay curious, courageous, and compassionate. Let our passion drive us, our creativity inspire us, and our commitment to excellence guide us. Today, we celebrate not just the end of one journey, but the beginning of many more. On behalf of the entire graduating class, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of you. May our futures be bright, our dreams vast, and our impact on the world profound. Welcome to our commencement ceremony and congratulations, class of 2024.